Today we want to look at how we can make our procurement, making use of procurement companies. We will be doing a practical example making use of a procurement company called Chris Vic Moore. So this is how you go about it. First you go to www.chrisvicmore.com and then you click on register. You fill in your details, your first name, last name, username and password. Then you go to 1688.com and look for the product you want to buy. You click on the products and this will take you to the product page. After looking at the description, the specification and every other thing, you will copy the URL of that product page, the URL that leads, the link that leads to that product. You copy it and then go back to chrisvicmore.com and paste that URL inside the search bar that has been provided. Once you paste it in the search bar and you click on search item, Chris Vic Moore will bring out the same item. It will bring out the price in dollar equivalent and every other description including the unit kg. Before you click on add to cart, you need to specify some additional information such as the quantity of the product you are buying and the product option. You can click on available product option to see the list of product options available, such as the size, the color and any other available options. So after specifying the options, you click on add to cart. If you have another product you want to buy, you repeat the same process and add it to cart. After adding all the products you want to buy to cart, you click on view cart to proceed. This will bring out a page where you see all the list of products you've added to your cart. You scroll down to see the list of items you've added to your cart, and then you select the items for which you want to place your order right now. You select the item and then you select the auction type and click on place your order. Thank you for watching today's episode of our tutorial. We hope you've learned something today. Do remember to subscribe to our channel so as to receive a notification each time we post a new video that will be helpful to you.